Hi guys, you're welcome to Halogenous Ideas. In this tutorial, I'll quickly show you how you can center an element using Flexbox. Okay, I believe you have a flex container and you have the flex item. I have just an item inside the flex container and I've added a bit of styling to save us time. So we have the width of the flex container, the height, then margin 0 auto. So margin top and bottom will be 0, margin left and right will be auto. So the elements can be centered and you can see the background color. Then you can see the flex item inside of the flex container with the font weight of bold for this text, the font size, the background color, then the color of the text itself. So that is it basically. Let me run this using the live server so we can see what it is. You can see this is exactly what I want to do. I want to bring this element to the center of my flex container. So basically on the main axis, which is from the left to the right, I want to align to the center. Then on the cross axis, which is from the top to the bottom by default, I also want to align to the center. So that is because the flex direction by default is row. So obviously the main axis will be like this, the cross axis will be like this. All we have to do is just to come here to this flex container. The first thing we want to do is to set it to be a valid flex box. So you display as flex. So you justify content center. This will align the element to the center on the main axis, which is from left to the right. By default, the flex direction is row. So you center it on the main axis from left to the right. Let me save this and go here. You can see it is now centered from left to on the main axis. So to center it from top to bottom, just align items to center, and that is all basically. So come back here, you can see it is now aligned to the center. One other thing we might want to do, this text over here, we might also want to align it to the center. Everything we did for the parent container, for the flex container, we just do it, we convert this as well to a flex container, and that is it basically. So I can just copy the whole of this and paste it even in the flex item. I can make this is a flex item for the parent container. Then this is also this item over here is a flex item for this particular div over here. If I should save this and I come back here, you can see everything is aligned to the middle, to the center. So basically, that is how you can center your items using your flex items in the flex container using Flexbox. I hope that was useful information. You got subscribe to the channel for more information and for a more detailed Flexbox tutorial, you can check the link in the description below or the one on the screen right now that you're seeing. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much. See you.